I'm really excited about the opportunity that some of these new AI technologies represent for us. We have, as I said, a good practice area of certain things like document understanding, but now I think through the use of natural language, you could do things like query these documents to pull out very specific pieces of information and get an understanding of what the tone of that document is. So it's not just finding things faster, but it's actually understanding the meaning of that context within those documents. I think with with things like semantic copy paste, our clipboard AI product, like you're now bringing the power of automation literally to every single knowledge worker in a company. Yeah. All of us use copy paste on a daily basis to do certain things in our jobs. But now to be able to do it, multifold, pulling so many things at once and putting those into an application with that understanding of where it should go with a high degree of accuracy, I think that, that changes the whole game. So I think that overall, there's going to be a few sectors in the technology market that have advantages from embracing AI. I think there's a lot of really new, cool, up and coming stuff that might be interesting in the future. I think a lot of it's hype today. Yeah. But there's a proprietary set of data that we have right now, understanding of workflows and processes within a large enterprise. And I think being able to take that data, apply it to these models, and being able to lower the barrier of friction to build new automations or to build those automations using natural language. Imagine a world, Ed, where you have something that you do in your day to day. You have to file your expenses, or you have to approve something on behalf of one of your employees. And instead of having to actually do that every day, you can, through some sort of widget, just say, hey, build me a process to do this thing. And a robot can be spun up and execute that on your behalf at a scheduled time, all literally through just communication in chat in English.
So you're just creating a playbook for it to follow.
Yeah, I mean, it's you're giving it directions in the same way that your mother would tell you to make your bed when you're growing up. I mean, it's that level of understanding. So I think that's the underlying power that's being created here, and the companies that will have the ability to harness it will need a certain level of sophistication. They'll need a tremendous amount of their own proprietary data to go get that level of simplicity. And they'll need the fortitude to stick with it over a long period of time. We're in the very early innings of this, and we've been at it for many years longer than most.